closing this afternoon. I will now, I believe, with us to officially close the 4-day workshop that we've been having in the last couple of days.
To the young participants, ministry officials, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Buluminaka Bulusia, very good afternoon to all of you. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be here this afternoon and to meet young, enthusiastic Fijians who want to do something in their lives. And I've been informed that in the last 3 or 4 days there has been a sharing of skills and knowledge, and the training has covered business startups, and including business and marketing plan writing, legal responsibilities of a business, and costing and pricing and cash flow, to name a few. I hope you've actually all found your ideal business model and a model that will help you achieve your goal in starting your business. The Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the Fijian government's initiatives targeted towards empowering our young Fijians. Now, we laid the foundation with policies such as free education, and free bus fares, and scholarships and loan schemes, all geared towards enabling many tens of thousands of bright young people to reach their own potential, and in whom all of us rest for a better Fiji. In the past, ladies and gentlemen, young Fijians had limited opportunity to succeed, with most, if not all, electing the path towards a desk job rather than taking the path towards entrepreneurship or business. However, we are actually changing that for you, and we are giving you more opportunities. Now, in accordance with the 2017 census that was recently published, I'm sure many of you have actually seen this. Half of our population is below the age of 27 and a half, and 69% of Fijians are below the age of 40 years. And this simply means that we are a very young nation. This can actually be an enormous advantage only if we give our young people like ourselves the support and the necessary resources they need to actually grow into productive and educated and ambitious Fijians. We are actually working towards creating an environment where you, our young people, can develop, and you are at the heart of our development as we work towards a modern Fiji. And it is you, our young people, who will continue the stewardship of our country in the future. You now are savvier about technology than we were as youngsters, and you have the power of idea and entrepreneurial spirit to bring you inherent creativity into innovative ways of doing business and in the way our society is actually run. So through YES, we are actually investing in the abilities, the intelligence, and the skills of young Fijians. It is an effort to bring out the exceptional strength of the younger generation that we have, and that will not only be of benefit to them, but also of benefit to the society and the nation in general. Through entrepreneurship and harnessing the energy of innovation of our young people, there is an opportunity to lift the quantity and quality of jobs and generate inclusive and sustainable growth. Ladies and gentlemen, in the next 5 years, government will continue to carry out its work by strengthening initiatives for training, empowerment, and awareness programs for our young people in the areas of entrepreneurship, leadership, in the areas of climate change, sustainable livelihoods, and an advantage of living and thriving in a country that is developed and is modern. Therefore, the initiatives such as YES must be supported and strengthened, and commitment by all the stakeholders is needed if the goal that is set for YES in the NDP to create a viable micro-small business through YES is to be achieved. Because through the right support and encouragement, these micro and small businesses could actually become key drivers of innovation and of growth for our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a day for long messages, but my final message to those of you who wish to become entrepreneurs is that you must also understand the important role of innovation, not only for commercialization, but also for improvements in business performance, and also in terms of research and innovation. We actually believe in entrepreneurial guidance drive, and motivation, which are the key pinnacles of success. And before I actually finish, I request you all to please provide feedback on the training that you have received. And your feedback, ladies and gentlemen, is actually very, very important to us to enable us to improve the programs for your own betterment. And we also want to hear from you as to what training and actual guidance that you think you may also need. So with those few words, I congratulate all of you that are here today, and each and every one of you for having made this workshop a successful one. And it's my hope that the spirit and friendship that has been nurtured over the last 3 days will be continued and strengthened. You may have built up a partnership with someone here that will turn into a phenomenal business. I wish you all the very best in your endeavors in the future. Thank you very much. And please, have a blessed vista. Naka.
Shelby Chan, Andy Kabeni, Anna Penina,
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Hear from you, because we're not going to, I don't get to see you all the time. So a program that is actually live, so which means to us that